Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. I'm sure you have tried some of our easy to make delicious snack recipes on this channel. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for yet another interesting snack which will soon be a family favorite. Imagine a piece of egg with tangy green chutney enclosed in a mashed potato, coated with breadcrumb mixture and fried to golden perfection. Simply irresistible. It's a perfect snack to enjoy at mealtime or your next family gathering. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan egg chops. Step 1. Preparing the potatoes. Take 5 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 650 grams. On medium heat, boil the potatoes without removing the skin. Put sufficient water to cover the potatoes. Do not cover the pan completely. Let it be slightly open and cook until the potatoes are fully done. This will take around 25 to 30 minutes. You can check if the potatoes are boiled by piercing a fork. It should easily go into the potatoes. Once the potatoes are done, turn off the heat. While the potatoes are still hot, place them in a bowl. Cut the potatoes to cool them faster. This will help you in peeling the skin easily. Remove the skin while the potatoes are still hot. Mash them using a fork or a potato masher while they are still hot.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Make sure there are no lumps or hard pieces of the potato remaining. Once the potatoes are fully mashed, add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Check for salt and add if required. Once the mashed potato has cooled down, it can be kept in the refrigerator for a few hours to remove the moisture, or you can begin making the egg chops immediately. Mashed potatoes are ready. Step 2. Preparing the green chutney. Take 1/4 inch size ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of warm water. Take 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. 1/2 cup of coriander or cilantro leaves. Use 1/4 piece of a medium-sized onion. Slice the onion. Take 1 green chilli and cut it into small pieces. Take 1/4 inch piece of ginger and cut it into small pieces. 2 cloves of garlic, cut into small pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water, onion, ginger, cumin or jeera seeds, green chilli, garlic, salt, sugar, coriander or cilantro leaves. Grind it to a fine paste. Now add freshly grated coconut. Grind it to a smooth paste. If required, add little water for grinding. Use minimum water while grinding the chutney, otherwise it will become watery. We want the chutney to be as dry as possible. Check for salt, sugar and add if required. Green chutney is ready. You must keep this chutney in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to dry the moisture in the chutney. But if you don't have time, you can also make it immediately. Step 3. Preparing the eggs. We have taken 2 eggs. Boil the eggs on medium heat with enough water. Cook until the eggs are fully done. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Once the eggs are done, turn off the heat. Once the eggs are still warm, clean the outer shell of the eggs. Cut each egg into 4 pieces. Eggs are ready. Step 4. Preparing the egg chops. After a few hours, remove the mashed potato from the refrigerator. If your potato paste is wet, just add a little corn flour to make it dry. Also remove the green chutney from the refrigerator. Also place the eggs on the table. You will also need eggs for coating. Take 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk it. Take 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida in a plate. Spread it evenly all over the plate. Take 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs for coating and 1/4 cup of semolina or rubber. In a bowl, add the breadcrumbs and the semolina or rubber. Mix it well. Only semolina or only breadcrumbs can also be used, but we find the result is better when both are mixed. Take a portion of mashed potato and flatten it on the palm of your hand. Add some green chutney. Place 1 piece of the egg on the chutney. Then cover the egg with mashed potato and make a nice oval shaped ball. Add more mashed potato if required. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Place the ball in the all-purpose flour and roll it to cover all the sides with the flour. Now dip the egg chop in the egg and remove it using a fork or spatula. Place it on the breadcrumbs and semolina mixture. Turn and coat the egg chop on all the sides. Now shape the egg chop, coating it well on all the sides. Mold the egg chop, ensuring there are no cracks. Similarly, prepare the remaining egg chops. Keep all the egg chops ready before frying. Once the egg chops are ready for frying, they can be kept in the refrigerator for 1 hour or they can be fried immediately. Step 5. Frying the egg chops. On medium heat, in a wide open, heavy bottom pan, take sufficient cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the egg chops one by one. Do not add too many egg chops and crowd the pan, as the temperature of the pan will fall. Add only a few egg chops at a time. As these fry quickly, be careful not to over-fry or burn them. Once golden brown, remove the egg chops. Place the egg chops in a strainer or use paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Serve the egg chops hot with tomato ketchup and green chutney. Delicious egg chops are ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.